Guys, today we're going to be doing something really fun and interesting, and that would be recreating my how to easy and quick hair scarf styles for short natural hair. Well, the twist is that we're going to be recreating the styles on long natural hair, because obviously my hair has grown a whole lot longer over the past 5 years or so since I made that video, and that video was the first video I ever published on this channel, in case you haven't seen it. But I wouldn't advise you to go see it because it's actually a very cringe video. So I'm just going to be creating the headscarf styles I did on that video on my hair right now. Okay, so without further rambling, let's quickly get into it. I'm going to be needing a shoelace for one of the styles or two of the styles, and also the hair scarf I used to do the styling in that video, and I actually still have it even though it's actually a bit dirty. Okay, so let me show you guys the first style. Okay, in case you haven't seen the video, this is what it looks like. Okay, I maybe what I will do is I will attach a clip of it somewhere here or here, so you guys can see or watch me process as we go. The first style or headscarf style is really simple. All I have to do is start off by sectioning a portion of my hair in front, like so. My hair is actually tangled, so I have to be very careful because today is supposed to be wash day, but I decided to just do this video. So my hair is actually still tangled. I haven't detangled it yet, so I think I'm just going to work with it. I don't have to do the whole section, all the way down to my roots. Okay, I think this works. So the next thing is to flip my scarf, like put it in a triangle like this, and then flip my head and just place it as you can see me doing. Whoa, ewo, ewo, ewo. Eh, I say my section in no dey work. Oh, I did not work. Let's make it work. So that big. Yay. Actually don't think this scarf is going to, like, cover my hair, cover the entire top the way it covered in that video, but I'll just do it anyhow, like anyway it fits. Trying to put it forward. This scarf seems a lot shorter, like obviously because my hair is longer, so I'm just going to manage it. In that video I did a very cute bow, but this particular bow is not bow, I'm going to retire it. After trying to adjust the scarf off camera, this is what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, the scarf is kind of hard to, like, get it to talking like it did talk in that video, but this still pretty much works. Okay, and also in that video I didn't do my edges or any other serere. Okay, so this is actually, like, it still looks okay, it looks cool or cute. I could actually rock this to go out. Okay, let me know what you think about this particular style. In fact, try to rate each of the styles on a scale of 1 to 10. For me, this particular style is a 9 out of 10. Okay, let me know what you think. Now for the second style, I still have my hair sectioned like the way it was sectioned for the previous style. Just have a little portion of hair separated in front here. The only difference is in the way I'm going to fold the scarf. So I'm going to get the scarf into a rectangle like this. Once again, I'm going to start folding like this. I'm going to refold off camera so I get a smoother base, but something like this, like fold it so it's like very thin. I'm just going to do it down on my laps because it's easier to get it to get a cleaner folding. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so once I do that, I think I'm supposed to place it on the back of my hair like this, and then as I said earlier, you have to still maintain the parted section in front. So I'm going to tie this in the middle. Also try to get the bow tie style thing going on too. Oh, hey, okay. Come on, it's kind of hard for me to like get how to tie the bow tie thing on my hair right now. I don't know, but this is somehow what it looks like. Let's try and arrange it a bit more off camera, and I'll come back and show you guys. I tried to do a few finishing touches off camera and also get the bow tie thing going on, and this is what it looks like. This style also looks good, but I really doubt I would ever style my hair like this to go out right now. I would prefer the previous style, okay? Because if I want to get my hair out in a fro, I'll just wear it out in a fro. Adding this demarcation here, it's cute, but then again, it just doesn't do it for me, okay? And my rating for this particular hairstyle or hair scarf style is 7 out of 10. Let me know your own rating in the comments, okay? For the third hair scarf style, I'm going to be needing a shoelace to put my hair into a puff, a high puff. Okay, so let's just do that. And you guys, putting my hair in a puff in that video was so hard because my hair was so short. It was really, really short at that time. Let me show you this. I'm going to try not to make this puff to be too tight so I don't get a headache. Ouch. Lele. Nah, yeah. See be a high puff. Well, let me just maybe I have to push really push from the back. Mm-hmm. Go higher and higher. The 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, Chineke. Ah, I think it's no, no, it feels low. Anyways, I think it's high enough, so I'm going to finish up the puff from the front. Just push, 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 push. Aye, after tying my scalp. Yeah, Chineke more. Oh god, I love my hair. Anyways, I'm just going to tie this at the back, then go ahead and do the scarf thingy. Hey, Chineke, my hand hurts. Ah. Anyways, this is the high puff I was able to get. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I really love this particular style without doing anything else. But let's just go ahead and do what I did in the video I'm creating. So I also had to put the scarf in a triangle like this, and also place it at the back of my head, and just go ahead to tie. Okay, like this. Now go again. Tie this, then go ahead to fold the excess in, like try to tuck it in. and just finish up by tying this on the back. And I don't know if this is exactly what I did in that video, but it looks like it, so it works. I actually love this particular style already. I think I got this particular style right. Okay, it's just that my hair is way shorter in this video than it is right now, and also the scarf in this video I didn't pull it back the way I did like in this particular video. Okay, so apart from that, the both of them are the same. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but I really love this particular style. This is a 1000 over 10 for me. Okay, let me know your own rating in the comment section. For the next hair scarf style, I am supposed to have my hair in the same puff and basically almost the same style. It's just a little thingy, a little extra detail in front that makes the difference. I'm going to show you guys. So from here, I'm just going to try and put the scarf down and go ahead to twist it like so. Once I'm done twisting, I'm going to twirl it around itself like I'm trying to create a bantu knot. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys. And I want to tie it so it doesn't loosen. It's not working. I think I'll just do it like that. So I think I'll just go round. Hey, it's losing, so I'm just going to tighten the twist and make sure I knot it at the end. Yeah, I'm going to tie it, secure it properly like this. Okay, then I'm going to create a bow. No, it's not a bow, a flower, a rose or bantu knot, something like this. Okay, so this is basically the finished look, and for me this is a 10 over 10. Let me know your own rating in the comment section, and I will absolutely rock this particular hair look anywhere. It looks really chic and classy. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. For the fifth style, which is the last style, I'm just going to show you guys. What it looks like. Okay, I'm trying to get out the shoelace from my hair, and if I'm not careful, it's just going to snag on my hair and cut some of my hair as it's coming out. So I'm usually very careful. Okay, once that is out, I think for the next style I have to fold the scarf the way I folded it for style 2 or 3. Like just fold it so it's small. So I'm doing that right now. After folding the scarf like this, next thing I did was to place it on my head like this. Okay, and I think I put it back. Yeah, and went ahead to knot it in front like so. And this particular styling doesn't look that nice on my hair when it was short, as you can see in that video. That's if I attach the video or if you've seen it. Okay, but I think right now that my hair is way longer, it looks more coordinated and really nice. Let me just finish up, show you guys. Okay, so at this point I'm supposed to maybe spray water and just get my fro to begin sink. So this is what the fifth and final style from that video looks like, and I actually like it more on my hair right now than when my hair was shorter as in the video. So this actually looks really cute and nice. I would absolutely wear this out, and for me this is also a 10 over 10. Let me know your thoughts and your own ratings in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, I have more videos like this, more hairstyling video of natural hair without any extensions and all of that coming up on this channel. So you do have to make sure you are subscribed and you turn on your post notifications so you do not miss any of the upcoming videos. Thank you once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.